Hey guys. All right, we're out back on the range today, down in beautiful Baton Rouge at the Lafitte Air Gun Range, shooting with the Bayou Air Gun Club. It's a 10-meter match, and today I'm starting with Olympic style 10-meter pistol to give you a shot of what the range looks like. Okay, those are my targets right there in front. You can see some to the back. We do shoot Benchrest on his. Some of the guys are actually starting with rifle. I like to finish with rifle, so it's whatever anybody wants. Some of the guys down here at the end shooting Olympic style rifle. Some starting with Benchrest. Whatever you want. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. We'll get this one in the black. I can't see. And bring the top up. All right, so basically, this is the target we're shooting. A little bit of ring in the middle is 10, 8 down 7, and so forth, all the way out down to 1 in the outer ring. And just to show you, this is actually me. I suck at shooting offhand, especially sitting one-handed. This was my practice target from the bench. So, not the gun. Next round is going to be two-handed shooting. Two-handed shooting, and usually do a little better with that one. I can hold it a little more steady. Thinking some bit bigger grips for it might help out. You know, got long fingers, and that handle is just sliding around. I'm having a hard time getting it straight. It's bad enough when I'm looking at the target, it's blurred. My sights are perfectly in focus, but the target itself is blurred, so it makes it a little difficult. So anyway, I'll bring y'all back when we start the second round. All right, so what I'm shooting today is my Crosman 1701P, which is their silhouette PCP pistol, and it's incredibly accurate. I have a Williams blade sight on the front, and just a blade Williams on the rear, and I have a blade on the front. I just took a piece of tape on it and used a colored marker to make it red. I haven't painted it yet, just to kind of help me line things up. I put some white on the rear blade. That helps that out. Good little gun. I just shot that match, 40 shots, and went down about 1,000 psi. So pretty good gun. You get a lot of shots out of it on the field. If you're into target shooting, this is a good little gun for target shooting. And the rifle, what I'll be using is my Air Arms 200T. I have stamped on it, but you see it advertised as a T200. Has diopter sight on the rear, and then one on the front. It's like a cutout, so it's almost like a thumb hole stock with a padded rear. This gun is impressive in the accuracy. And, it's just incredible how accurate this gun actually is, and a pleasure to shoot. So, not an expensive gun either. Fairly inexpensive, but you know, for accuracy, especially at 10 meters. And when we shoot Benchrest with this, we do it at 22 yards, which is kind of pushing it. And with the pellets that we use, I'm using RSW R10 match in both guns. They are a wad cutter pellet, so they have a flat face on them. That is our, don't lose them. That is the regulation pellet that we use for these matches. It's this little wad cutter. I've tried some other brands of wad cutters. In fact, in practice, the pistol, and this was at bench. That was with the RSWs. These were H&N finale match. So this gave me a much better grouping than this one did. So shooting these. I had the matches, I'd ordered them a while back and just decided to give them a try. I even tried them with the rifle. Now the rifle, this was the RWS group. This was, this was the finale match. So it was pretty much the same. This is me shooting RSW offhand in practice. I said, I'm not real good at shooting offhand. Something I haven't practiced a whole lot. Used to be able to shoot really well offhand as a kid. I mean, that's all we did. Never did bench rush shooting. Maybe sat on the ground and used our knees. That's about it. So, all right, bring you back when we start the next round. Okay, so here's the cards I just shot. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. For some reason, the third card, I just don't know why. Don't ever do well on it. I didn't do that hot on the other ones, but I do this for the fun. And hang out with the guys. So I'll just take what I get. For some reason, the first part of this match, my camera shut off. The rear sight on my pistol fell off. So I'm gonna play catch up now. Sight fell off, so the pistol no longer zeroed. I'm not sure what was the hit. Okay, so I'm done. Finished the pistol offhand. Now it's going to be Olympic rifle. This is the target. You see that little bitty dot in the middle? That little dot is a 10. Then 9 on out to 1. So That's quite a challenge, shooting that little dot in the very center. I've hit it once or twice. Did it in practice. Got it. Oh, we'll see now. Offhand, if I get them in the black, I'm happy. Get them in the scoring ring, I'm happy. Because this is not my forte, shooting offhand, especially with the rifle. And this is a small rifle. It's really, I guess, more of a youth rifle than anything, but it's kind of lightweight. Eventually I'll be able to work my way up to, you know, full-size 10-meter rifle and maybe shoot a little bit better. You know, it's just one of those things that needs to practice more. You know, it's an hour-long car ride, come to the field, and with gas the way it is, it gets expensive quick. So, bring y'all back when we get started. Bye. All right, so here's my targets from two-hand. This was target 1, target 2, target 3, and then target 4. That's after the rear sight fell off the gun. So when I go to do bench rest, I have to re-zero my gun. Fun. All right, Olympic style rifle. You have 5 targets per card. Do 4 shots. A total of 40 shots, and you have 30 minutes. Here we go. All right, guys, this is my rifle cards. Card 1, and then card 2. Again, this is shooting offhand, Olympic style. Again, something I'm not really good at, but I'm getting better. Definitely getting better at it. All right. All right. Next match shooting is Benchrest pistol. You can have the pistol on there, nothing else can touch. Target is 22 yards away. Don't know how well I'll shoot this. My rear sight fell off and having a lot of trouble getting it zeroed back in, so give it a shot, see what happens. Kind of rushing because I have to play catch up. So bullet trigger for 1 or 2 on that one. Thank you, John.
Shabbing, huh?
What was that?
Shabbing.
Yeah.
Looks like you're coming in too young with this air
Yeah.
guns, air pistols, buddy. Yes, sir.
What's that?
Looks like you're really starting to hit it.
What, with the air pistol?
Yeah, and with the rifle.
Oh, with the rifle, definitely. That Wire Rock is phenomenal rifle.
Isn't it though? Man.
By the way, guys, this is Don. It's okay. That's fine.
I cleaned mine and it made a big difference.
Really?
Yeah. I came yesterday and was losing a half a mil dot out at the far end. I went home and swabbed it 3 times and I'd shot less than half a 10 pellets through it. It was just black first swab.
Probably gonna do that before.
I don't wash or sort the pellets and all that stuff.
No, I've done that before, but it just.
Some people put pledge on them too. I'm hearing all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, the oil pellets and all of that, but I really have not found where that has helped me at all.
And you're shooting your by rock straight from the air guns.
No work done to it. Exactly how it came.
Yeah.
It's working well for me. Why fool with it?
Yeah.
You know?
Don't fix it if it's not broke.
Exactly. All right, that was a speed round. I knew I was not going to do well with that one. Rear sight came off, and I cannot get it back on. So hopefully, when I go to do the rifle, that sight hadn't fallen off yet, so it should do pretty good. All right, after fighting with my pistol because the rear sight fell off, I went ahead and was able to shoot the match. Didn't do too bad there. Not too bad there. Got a little worse there. And like an idiot, I forgot to check the air level in my gun, so those started going crazy. And then these all fell off the end of the earth. So, for having to do a quick resighting or re-zeroing of my pistol, not bad. Could have been better. All right, on next to rifle. All right, this is the Benchrest rifle, last relay we could shoot. 2 cards, 5 targets on each card, 4 shots per target. So let's get to it. Hopefully I'll do better on this one than I do with the pistol, because this one seems to be sighted in better. My problem is the targets are a little blurry with my right eye, because I don't wear a contact in that eye. So we'll see how this works out. All right. And on this Benchrest, you cannot have a rear rest, only a front rest. Other hand can support the rifle anywhere here, basically forward of the trigger. You cannot hold it here, or the hand's got to stay flat. I usually just rest it up here. Sometimes I'll rest it on the rifle. All right, we're done.
You won't be able to put two land on it. So what? Just reset it, do it again, right? Doesn't say you gotta have five.
Not the fun part.
NRA though.
Picking up and cleaning up.
So if I put a ram here.
All right, this is first target for the Benchrest rifle. Wind kind of kicked up on me. And you can see it pushed everything. I tried to correct for it, but it's still going. Couldn't figure it out on that rifle. I mean, all you're looking through is one hole into a smaller hole and then looking at the black, so I hadn't really figured that part out yet. I will eventually, but that's it. All right. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Rough day of shooting. I was just not having a good day at all today. Rear sight fell off on the pistol. Olympic style shooting is just not my thing, but I do it just to come out and have fun with the guys and chill. And it's been pretty good. I don't mind the Benchrest. I just need to see if we can figure out on that rifle exactly how to aim it, because you have a rear sight and you have a front sight, and they're both just holes, and so you're lining the holes up, and then you have this black circle here that you try and get that centered in the small hole, but when wind comes up like it did, especially on this car, it really came up. I was having troubles getting it to, compensating for the wind. So, yeah, there's something that'll come in time. I'll get there, no big deal. Definitely not the gun's fault. Plus this is 22 yards with wide cutter pellets, so you can't expect a whole lot out of them. They're not really aerodynamic. They're good for close in, 10 meter and such. You start getting out further, and any kind of wind and the humidity out here is crazy, so I guess everything kind of messes with it. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.